Hi, I'm Shannon Mcdaniel. I'll be your inspector tomorrow. We encourage that our customers attend the entire inspection so you can see everything through my eyes. However, I know you are busy, so if you can attend at least the last hour, I can go over an executive review with you. Times are crazy now, so if you can attend at all, don't fear. I will promise to call you, Zoom, or even FaceTime if you want. Rest assured you will receive your report tomorrow as well. Our company thrives on 5-star reviews and referrals, so let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm currently new to the Chattanooga area, and I'm a father of 4. I am also a specialist on several other additional testing services we provide, like radon gas detection, mold testing, indoor air quality testing, pool testing, etc. If you have any questions about these things, please just respond to this message. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.